You must be very brave if you're a superhero.
I am. I'm not scared of anything. Except thunderstorms. I'm blushing.
My shrimps! Oh, my bearskin.
It's nothing to worry about, Princess.
I'm not worried. It's rough.
Oh, then you tell him that it's just a thunderstorm. And thunderstorms can't hurt him.
Then why do they sound so cross?
Come on, Princess, let's get you indoors.
Bye!
Oh, wait for me.
Giddy up, Nessie. Come on.
Marvelous. Ah, hello, Princess.
Princess!
Oh, Tutty bye.
Princess? What are you doing under there?
Hiding. Gilbert's a bit worried about the storm.
Does he know how to count to find out how far away the storm is?
Gilbert can't count. He's too little.
Then you'll have to do it for him. When you see the lightning, you start to count. Like this. 1 crocodile, 2 crocodiles, 3 crocodiles.
Ah!
And you stop when you hear the thunder.
Why?
Well, 1 crocodile means it's far away. 2 crocodiles means it's very far away. And 3 crocodiles means
Very, very far away.
Exactly. Next time you can do it yourself.
Why do you have to count crocodiles?
So you don't go too fast.
Oh.
Now then, Gilbert will have to find somewhere else to hide. I've got to change all the beds.
Come on, Gilbert. 1 crocodile, 2 crocodiles.
Marvelous.
Oh, it's every man for himself. Save yourselves.
Oh, bother.
1 crocodile.